You got the raise, and somehow you're more broke than before. It's the 25th. You check your account, and it just makes you feel sick. You're not lazy. You work hard. You're not stupid. You see things other people miss, and you're not bad with money. Here's what nobody tells you. The rules running your money? You didn't write them. They were handed to you by people who were handed them too. Call it hand-me-down money. 3 of those lessons were wrong, and the most important one, you were never given it at all. So every month runs the same. Money comes in, money disappears, and you blame yourself every time. But discipline was never the problem. You can't out-discipline a rule you can't see. This doesn't need more money or more willpower. It needs you to see 4 lessons, starting with the one that feels like a gift. Lesson 1. What you were taught about spending. You were taught spending is a reward. Hard week? Treat yourself. You deserve it. It's Friday. The week wrecked you. So the cart fills itself. Sounds kind. It's a trap, because now spending isn't buying. It's feeling better. You spend to fix a mood, but the mood comes back. So the spending comes back too. And here's the crazy part. The worse the week, the more you deserve. The more you spend. You weren't taught to buy things. You were taught to medicate with them. That's not a flaw. That's a rule someone installed. Lesson 2. What you were taught about saving. Save whatever's left at the end of the month. You've heard it your whole life. But look at the order. Spend first. Save the leftovers. There are never any leftovers. The 28th comes. You move money to cover something. Again, most people save what's left, but wealthy people flip the order. They take savings first, then live on the rest. Same income, opposite result. You weren't bad at saving. You were taught the wrong sequence, but wait. The next lesson is the one you were taught to be proud of. Lesson 3. What you were taught about debt. Some debt is bad. Some debt is good. You've heard that. Maybe you've said it. Here's the quiet problem. Good debt makes owing money feel normal. Neutral, just how life works. So you stop noticing it. It becomes furniture. A payment leaves every month. You stopped flinching years ago. And a thing you stopped noticing never gets questioned. You weren't reckless. You were taught to call a cage comfortable. That's 3 lessons now. None of them yours. But here's the lesson nobody gave you at all. Lesson 4. The one you were never taught. Money that runs on instructions, not willpower. The other 3 lessons rely on you deciding every day. This one removes the deciding. You set the rule once. The money follows it without you. Wealthy people aren't more disciplined. Their money has instructions. So here's your assignment this week. 2 small things. First, name 1 hand-me-down rule still running you. Spending, saving, or debt. Write it in 1 sentence. Then, write the rule you'd choose instead. Second, install the lesson nobody gave you. 1 automatic transfer. The day money lands. Before anything else touches it. The amount barely matters. $25, $50, $100. Whatever doesn't make you panic. Try this right now. Set it up before you forget. 1 rule you can finally see. 1 rule you finally wrote. So look at the whole picture. 3 lessons handed to you. 1 never handed at all. None of it was about your character. You're not bad with money. You were given bad money. And the moment you can see a rule, you can rewrite it. You're not the problem. You're the architect now. You don't need to become someone new. You just need to see what's running. Architecture beats willpower. Every time. If you want 1 new rule every week, subscribe and tell me 1 thing below. Which lesson was yours? Spending, saving, or debt? Just write the word. See you in the next one.